Did you know that eating high-protein foods are essential for healing wounds, repairing muscles, and even aid fat loss? No doubt about it, protein is good for you. While watching this video, I know for a fact that you still have no idea what to put on your plate to gain that protein and maximize their health benefits. Hi people, welcome to the Healthy Boost channel. We make sure that you get a healthy boost every day. Are you curious which delicious foods are dense in protein? Do eggs, oats, tuna, and turkey breasts belong in the group? Know that eating foods that are high in protein will offer a range of health benefits. We surely can't stop thinking about it. But in today's video, we're going to answer those questions in your mind. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs have been a classic part of our diet for centuries. Because of their numerous health benefits, eggs are often referred to as the original superfood. Whole eggs are one of the healthiest and most nutritious foods on the market. The egg white contains the majority of the protein in an egg, while the yolk contains healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Don't be confused, you can eat them both. Wondering what the next food will be? Well, before we introduce that one to you, please don't forget to like the video. Number 2. Almonds. When it comes to people's favorite tree nuts, almond is for sure the number one. Almonds have become famous for their versatility and health benefits. They have been extensively researched for their cardiovascular, diabetes, and weight management benefits. Did you know that just 1/4 cup serving of almonds will provide you with 7 grams of protein? Yes, they are an excellent source of protein, and eating them daily will surely improve your appetite control. Number 3. Chicken breasts. Chicken is one of the most popular meats. It is not only widely available and simple to prepare, but it can also be found in a variety of preparations and varieties. Chicken is high in a number of essential nutrients including protein, niacin, selenium, and phosphorus. Because chicken is low in calories but high in protein, it may be especially beneficial for weight loss if that is your goal. One 3-ounce serving of chicken breast has 24 grams of protein. Number 4. Oats. Oat is one of the healthiest grains available. Compared to other grains, they're high in fiber and protein. Oats have some unique components, including the soluble fiber, beta-glucan, and antioxidants known as avenanthramides. Lowering blood sugar and cholesterol levels, protecting against skin irritation, and reducing constipation are all advantages. Oats are an incredibly nutritious food, so don't forget to add them to your breakfast. Are you now getting a little knowledge about foods that are dense in protein? If you are, please don't forget to subscribe. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Looking for a high-protein diet? Good news! Cottage cheese is perfect for your diet plan. Cottage cheese contains a lot of protein. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese contains 28 grams of protein and only 163 calories. Protein-rich foods digest slowly. This helps you feel fuller for longer, making you less likely to overeat. If you enjoyed the taste of cottage cheese, you will most likely enjoy this diet. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is known to be a workout recovery food and is perfect for those who love getting a tough workout. Greek yogurt is high in amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Proteins are essential for regenerating muscle tissue and repairing fiber damage. For a nutritious post-workout snack, try adding a banana or some berries to your yogurt. Number 7. Tuna. Tuna is a well-known type of fish. It is very low in calories and fat, making it almost entirely protein. 3 ounces of cooked tuna contains approximately 25 grams of protein and only 110 calories. It's also high in B vitamins and minerals like magnesium and potassium. It can be eaten hot in a variety of baked dishes or cold in salads. Pregnant and nursing women, on the other hand, should limit their consumption once per month. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa has a wide variety of health benefits. This food is a popular pseudo-cereal that many consider to be a superfood due to its high levels of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Quinoa is perfect for vegetarians and vegans because it is high in protein compared to most plant foods. It also contains all the necessary amino acids, making it an excellent protein source. Number 9. Turkey breasts. In many ways, turkey breast is similar to chicken breast. It's mostly protein with very little fat or calories. It also tastes great and is high in vitamins and minerals. Turkey breast meat is naturally high in protein. Cooked turkey breast meat contains 28 grams of protein per 100 grams, which is more than a quarter of an adult's daily allowance. Number 10. Peanuts. Peanuts contain a lot of protein, fiber, and magnesium. According to research, they can help you lose weight. They are a good source of plant-based protein because their protein content ranges from 22 to 30% of their total calories. But peanuts can also be high in calories. As a result, you should consume it in moderation. Remember, peanuts are not suitable for people who are allergic to nuts. Number 11. Lentils. Lentils are classified as a legume. Lentils are one of the best plant-based protein sources on the planet, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. They also contain a lot of fiber, magnesium, potassium, iron, and other nutrients. If you're a vegetarian, try considering lentils in your diet. Number 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable high in vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and potassium. It also contains bioactive nutrients that may help prevent cancer. In comparison to most vegetables, broccoli has a relatively high protein content, accounting for 29% of its dry weight. However, due to its high water content, 1 cup of broccoli only contains 3 grams of protein. Eating high-protein foods will surely promote a wide range of health benefits like weight loss, muscle building, and even get rid of our toxic elements in our body. Now you know the foods that are high in protein that you should be eating. Let us know in the comment section below if your favorite food is on the list.